describe the wise steps I took for hiding his body. I worked quickly, but in silence. He cried once, only once, without delay. First of all, I took apart the body. I cut off the head, the arms, and the legs. There was nothing to wash out, no mark of any kind, no blood whatever. I had been too smart for that.